Hey guys, welcome to another video. Yeah, today we have an unboxing video and I'm I'm very excited to show you what's in this box because it's the first time in my life that I actually ordered Breaktest boards so for testing my punching power. And you have to have certain boards to be able to perform a save. Let me just try to open it with my key. You have to have a certain type of Breaktest boards in order for you to make it safe for your hands, okay? So it's not like that you can really break the most massive wood there is, but of course it should also not be too light. So yeah, let me just take everything out. There you can already see, so it's wood. And what's also very important is that it's in square form, because when you want to punch through the wood needs to be in square form in order for you to really measure where the middle of the board is, so that you have the highest chance for actually breaking the board. Now if it's a rectangle, it's not that easy, because obviously not all sides are the same length. So therefore always make sure that when you buy Breaktest boards that you really buy them in square form. So this is just some protection for the delivery. The same goes for that shit here. And there we have them. So there are 10 boards, and each board is a centimeter in width. Okay, so we will of course measure them, but I can already see by simply looking at them like this that it's high quality and it's consistent quality. Now one thing I still have to see, of course, is whether they splinter or not, because we can see some splinters right here. And splinters can obviously hurt your hand, which is not so nice, and to pull them out of your skin is also not very pleasant. So I hope these are only splinters on the side, on the edge, where you do not really hit the boards. But yeah, I'm not gonna do a break test today anyways, but I was like, okay, I think I have a very high punch, a very good punching power for my weight class, and I always wanted to know how hard I can actually punch. And as it's not allowed to punch somebody in the face just like that without actually being in a prize fight, of course there's no other way to really measure your punching power. So what I can say about them is basically they look great, they are light, and what I heard is that they should be hollow in the middle. Right now I cannot really see that, because as you can see from the edges here, there's no space in between. So I don't know why they say they should be hollow in the middle. That's a bit strange. Well, but we have to see when we actually try to break them, right? And you can buy them on Amazon in 3 different sizes. So the first size is 1 centimeter, the second is 2 centimeters, or 2 of these boards together, and the third one is 3 centimeters. And obviously the thicker, the harder to break. As I said, I'm not going to do a break test today, because I already did a boxing session 1 hour and my hands are sore. As you can see, my knuckles are scratched and they are done. But yeah, it looks very interesting. It's also a great company. I didn't have to wait too long for it. Just let me see what the company looks like. It's a German company called Sport und Spiel 99. Sport und Spiel, so Sport and Spiel 99. And yeah, so they look great. I'm looking forward to break them. And I'm also interested in seeing how many I can break when they are all attached to one another. So will I make, for example, 3 of these 1 centimeter boards or not? And yeah, before I forget it, I told you we would officially measure them. So let me just put one board here, for example. Okay. So we put one board here, and then we measure the size. And as you can see, it's exactly 1 centimeter. So they are right, it's 1 centimeter in width. And there you have it, guys. See you soon.